Little storyteller.
Barnaby the fluffy bunny lived in a cozy burrow near the big blue ocean. Every day, Barnaby hopped down to the sandy shore to build magnificent sandcastles. The ocean waves usually went swish swash, tickling his long ears. One sunny morning, something was very different. Barnaby hopped to the shore, his nose twitching. The big blue ocean wasn't blue anymore. It was wobbly and green, like a giant bowl of jiggly jello. Little waves of jello went wiggle, wobble instead of swish, swash. Penelope the playful penguin waddled to the edge of the jello ocean. Usually Penelope loved to swim and zoom through the cool blue water, but now when she tried to jump in, she just bounced. Buzzing! She landed back on the sandy shore with a giggle. "It's like a giant bouncy castle," she chirped. Barnaby and Penelope looked at each other and smiled. Swimming was impossible, but building sandcastles at the wiggly water's edge was the most fun they'd ever had. The jello ocean wobbled when they patted the sand, making their castles jiggle too. They decorated their wobbly castles with colorful seashells that shimmered in the sun. Suddenly, Finley the friendly fish flopped onto the jello shore. He looked a little sad. "It's hard to swim in jello," he mumbled, his shiny scales looking dull out of the water. Barnaby and Penelope felt a little sad for Finley. Barnaby had an idea. "Let's build Finley a jello slide," he exclaimed. Penelope waddled excitedly. Together, Barnaby and Penelope patted and shaped the wobbly green jello into a long, slippery slide that went right into the deeper, jigglier part of the ocean. Finley wiggled onto the top of the jello slide. Whee! He slid down, down, down into the wobbly green ocean with a splash of jello. He could wiggle and wobble all around. "Thank you," Finley called out, his shiny scales sparkling again. Barnaby, Penelope, and Finley all played together in the wiggly wobbly jello ocean. They learned that even when things are strange and different, like an ocean made of jello, you can still have fun and find new ways to play together. It's always nice to think about how your friends are feeling and help them too.
Please subscribe. Thank you.